Standby Systems isn't just their name, it's a promise they make to South Africa. They're here to keep the power flowing, the lights on, and your business moving forward. Whether it's for critical infrastructure or daily operations, they've got your back and your backup. Based in Johannesburg, Standby Systems has been providing backup power throughout South and Southern Africa since the early 2000s. They supply, install, support and service UPS systems, but not just any UPS, they are Riello experts. They also provide top-tier battery solutions and ensure seamless battery replacements. Whether you're running a hospital, a data center, a mining operation or a retail chain, they're here to keep you powered. The Standby Systems difference is that they hold stock in the country, so there's no waiting for parts from overseas. Their technical team is second to none, and they don't just install UPS units and disappear, they walk the journey with you, backed by Riello, one of the world's top UPS manufacturers.